Hey class, here's an example of what a completed idea organizer should look like for the Unit 2 project. You want to keep in mind, the purpose of this organizer is to give you all the material you're going to build your project, either your slides, your essay, your video, or your um, image from, okay? And so you want to have as much information in here as complete as possible. And this is going to be graded along with the project. So you want to fill out everything starting with your name, subject, project type, and the project title, as this person has. In the facts, you want to list all at least 5 facts. You can have more than 5 facts. If you want to get a 4 or a 3, these should be in complete sentences. Um, Photos, you should have a photo for every fact. You can write it out with a description or you can put the photo in there. That's up to you. Timeline of events. The events, remember, you need to have 3. This person has 5. That's outstanding, probably trying to get a 4. These should be written out with the date and then the description of the event. They should be written as completely as possible. And to get a 4, they should be complete sentences. And then 5, importance. And this is important because it needs to tie your project back to the subject and what we're learning. Okay, it can't just be some standalone thing that's random. This person actually explains that this topic is important and says why the Lewis and Clark exploration was important and what it did and what America wouldn't know if they hadn't gone. So it ties things back together very well. Then reference links. Okay, I've left 2 of these for an example. The first one is correct. It has a description of the reference, the title of the reference, Lewis and Clark for Dummies, key dates of the Lewis and Clark expedition, and then it has the link. The second one is incorrect. It's just the link. That needs a description as well. To get a 3, you will need to have the description. Okay, so that's how to do the idea organizer. My expectation is that if you do this really well, the project itself will come together quite nicely and you'll get a good grade on both. Okay, if you have questions, hit me up.